the ideal free operating system. Currently, more users of the free operating system increase and will be waiting that those progress quickly. But what characteristics it has to possess a free operating system? In this small presentation, I'm going to be talking about some characteristics that a free operating system should have. According to the 4 liberties, if you have a free operating system: 1. It should have execute the IOS for any work purpose. 2. You may study your operating and also might adjust to your need on. 3. The persons may have distributed various copies. 4. Your anywhere person has to improve the operating system and then after must put public access for benefit the community. Consequently, with a free operating system, a user might change your shortcut and must not pay for. But it has 2 of the 4 liberties due to this is protected by the copyleft. Additionally, this open source has to comply with the next conditions. 1. It has to have distribute free. 2. It shall have included open source and it might not exclude. 3. The open source may not impede to make changes. 4. The software version must have a name and number to be identified. 5. The open source can discriminate some people or groups, or by your use. 6. The license doesn't have to be specific for only product. Bibliography: Piñero, software libre en los institutos Adel, Bernabé, software libre en educación y tecnología educativa, Madrid, McGraw-Hill. Thanks.